British, пожалуйста.
Especially cowboys.
American?
Yeah, New York.
Are you a cop?
Yeah. It's gonna be loud.
How'd you know I was a cop?
You don't look like a lawyer.
Jack!
Dad?
This is what you've been doing? 007 of Plainfield, New Jersey.
Relax, you're safe now.
Save my ass.
This guy's bad news. Terrorism, weapons-grade uranium, nukes. Someone's got to stop him.
Attaboy. Knock, knock.
Whoa.
What is this, a pirate gun?
It's old school. Like you, right?
Right.
I guess you've done this before.
Don't encourage him.
Me and my boy here. We're gonna put a whooping on you.
Really?
Really? You crazy? A little bit.
You go looking for trouble, or does it always find you?
I still ask myself the same question.